The LACIEL 34-inch steam iron press offers an unusually large pressing surface that makes quick work of tablecloths, curtains, and bulk laundry compared with a standard handheld iron. Its high wattage heating and strong steam output smooth even stubborn creases efficiently, so garments and household linens come out looking professionally finished. 5 clearly defined fabric programs let you switch safely between delicate synthetics and sturdy linen without guesswork, which helps prevent scorching and shine marks. The integrated touch display keeps power, temperature, and water level easy to see at a glance. And the voice prompts and language options make the controls more approachable for different users. A generously sized removable water tank supports long steaming sessions without constant refilling, and the low water alert is a helpful safeguard against running the tank dry mid-task. Included accessories like the press pad and spray bottle round out the package, giving you everything you need to set up a small home pressing station or support a light business workload.